Hurricane season is already well underway in the Atlantic Ocean. Typically, hurricane season peaks in early September. The public has a perception that strong hurricanes cannot impact Long Island, and unfortunately that's not true. Certainly it's more rare to experience strong hurricanes on Long Island versus a place like Florida or the Gulf of Mexico, like Louisiana or Texas, but it's not impossible. One of the most extreme examples was the Long Island Express hurricane of September 1938. That was a Category 3 or major hurricane which brought strong coastal flooding to Long Island. To commemorate the 80th anniversary of that hurricane, Hofstra is hosting the Long Island Hurricane Symposium on October 3rd. Even though it was only 6 years ago, people tend to be forgetting about Sandy already. So one good way to raise the public awareness and maintain the awareness is to have these sorts of events where the public and even students can come out and learn more about storms, learn about past storms that impacted Long Island, learn about sort of our present techniques of forecasting storms and communicating warnings, and then thinking about the future. How can we plan efficiently and sustainably to allow us to be resilient to future tropical cyclone impacts on Long Island. The role of climate change in hurricanes is certainly still a bit controversial. Overall, the number of hurricanes has not gone up statistically significantly in the Atlantic Ocean, but there is some signs that there's more of the stronger hurricanes in the Atlantic Ocean due to overall generally warmer waters. So obviously if you have even just a few more strong hurricanes in a decade, then that ups our chances ever so slightly that Long Island could get a stronger hurricane. We might go several years or a decade or more between hurricane threats, therefore just not programming into people that every year during hurricane season they should be aware of what could happen and have a plan just in case. One way that I am working to improve that is by using novel immersive technology to actually help improve warning systems. We've developed a VR simulation of a hurricane, so you put on the VR goggles and are fully immersed in a Category 3 landfalling hurricane on the coast. So using that to show to the general public and see if that helps increase their awareness of hurricanes and maybe would help to convince them that they should evacuate in the case where there is a strong hurricane threatening. And again, this is even more important in a place like Long Island where people don't really believe that we could get hit by hurricanes.